Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Cadillac SC. I'm going to go over where you would add and how you add antifreeze engine coolant to your car. So this is the engine coolant reservoir right here. Right here on this side you've got your minimum and maximum. This is actually quite low. And this is your only point to add coolant to this particular vehicle. So you do not remove this while your engine is hot and cause burns. But when your engine is cooled down and you need to add coolant, all you got to do is you twist this cap off like that and get the color coolant is for your vehicle. So we've added coolant. It's up to here, right within the minimum line. The maximum line is up here, so we can just put a little bit more. And we're perfect. We're right in the middle of the minimum and max. So we're going to call that good. And you would just put your cap back on because this is a pressurized system, so you're going to want to keep your cap on there. And then you will monitor to see, and if this is continually going down and you're continually adding coolant, then you have coolant going somewhere, whether it can be some gasket somewhere or you may be burning it, but it's not what you want to be doing. This is where you would add your coolant, which is on your left hand side of your vehicle. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.